In the realms of the spirit, where our president is standing, he's very far in the spirit. And where he is, I can say this to you, that there is no close gap in the spirit against his position. Spiritually, Adnikuta Nanado will win the election.
Your Excellency, you are going to Central Region. That's a statement that's been put out, that you're going to campaign in Central Region. And so when we got the statement, we looked at the trend of Central Region. And the story and the outcome, unfortunately, is not very good for you.
Depends on the factor you're looking at, and I think that you're looking at the wrong factor. If they're doing, twice for each candidate, then it means in 2016 they'll give me my second chance. And so if you use that trend analysis based on presidential candidacy, then Central Region is going to vote for me in 2016.
How was Sunyani? You sounded very confident about something. What are you confident about?
Confident. I'm cautiously optimistic about the future. And what I saw in Sunyani really has reinforced that sense of, let me put it, cautious optimism. And the atmosphere there, the sense of oneness, the purposefulness, encouraged me that despite the obvious and well-known problems that the party has gone through this year, the rank and file of our party and the structures of our party are still in good shape. And that's encouraging.
DNT America said President John Mahama won't mean no.
Why?
Abano election we no. Nyame sunsun.
They vote twice for a political party and then they change. So 92, 96 is NDC, 2000 and 2004 is MPP. 2008 and 2012 is back to NDC. So right now, 2016, they are turning away from you. That's the trend we observed. What do you make of that? I don't know whether you've observed that trend. What do you make of that?
Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC had 4,713,277 votes, being 44.40%. Mr. Nana Akufo-Addo of the New Patriotic Party had 5,716,026 votes, being 53.85%. On the basis of the foregoing figures, and by the power vested in me as the chairperson of the Electoral Commission and the returning officer for the presidential election, it is my duty and my privilege to declare Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as the President-elect of the Republic of Ghana. Thank you. God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation greater and stronger.
John Dramani Mahama. Bye-bye. 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 Thank you, and may God bless you all, and bless Mother God.